Hi friends, today what we go to see, I will tell you. Today we are going to see the some stocks, what's happening last week, what's happening the last week performance, how to play and how many price actions happening, where you have to enter and where you have to exit, then what happened to another next week market going on, what happening on. So we are see everything. So first we will go to Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry is a big market capital company. It's making like a flag pattern like this. This is a flag pattern. Flag pattern like this. This is a flag pattern. So it's make like okay. It's make like a flag pattern. Flag pattern means it's a continuous pattern. Continuous pattern means mark. I've already explained this. What is continuous pattern? I will explain already. Um, Marker consolidation and big move give and then little bit consolidation places like there is forming flag pattern and peanut patterns are also forming there only. So this is the flag pattern forming. It's a 1 day time frame. We will move on 1 hour time frame. What's happening? So big consolidation happening. Market move in range like this. Market moves in range. Here give the false breakout also. So then what happening the next time? Maybe market follow this trend line. So market maybe follow this trend line. Uh, when this trend line was broke, he broke, market came to down, or maybe here another, I will say, yeah, here another one pattern also forming here. I will show you. It's like flag pattern. It's like flag pattern. Flag pattern. It's like flag pattern, and another way to take it's maybe double top. It's not clearly confirmed. Now forming like this area is not forming now. So tomorrow market we will see what's then what happening there. We will know only. Maybe like this forming market may be further going to down. Otherwise break this trend line. Break. I will say this trend line. Market break this trend line. Market going to further up. So maybe chance to may break up like this here. Perfect trend line touch when here and then here this trend line was broke, market came to down, so we have to go to short positions. Otherwise market going to up this trend line, we will go to call option, sorry, call long positions. So I'm not SEBI registered, I will tell you first of all. So this is simple price action methods follow the very most effective friends. So like this maybe target here also it's going to like this is our Reliance Industries. Then we will go to HDFC, uh, housing develop HDFC, financial corporation. Okay, we will go to 1 day chart now. Okay, market gives a big move after correction here. The support and resistance work perfectly here. take market make here future market make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then retest here, then make higher high, then make same place come to, but not market did not close below that level. So market will also make sometimes it's like also double top. It's not confirmed because it's not forming perfectly. When this place broke, it's not valid. So here some consolidation happening. So we will consider that because consolidation happening time. Consolidation, what, why consolidation happening, friends? Consolidation means accumulation people in institutional traders are big players buying that place. So little bit consolidation happening there because here 1 4 days, 2 or 3 days, maybe market play in one area. So it means there's a big consolidation. It's giving for big move. So we will go to 5 minute 50 1 hour chart. What happening there, like this? Wow. Wow. Here friends, this type of pattern, it's a it's one of the triangle pattern. I will already tell you friends, I only consider it's a triangle pattern. It's not ascending triangle, it's a descending triangle. It's I never consider. I only consider triangle pattern because it's not unnecessary, because you know what happening there. You will see chart what did tell you with you. So I know very well. Switch on 30 minutes chart. Market forming clearly forming the triangle pattern. When it's broke down, market came to here. Otherwise, market came to weekly chart. So otherwise, market came to up, broke above that position place. Market make new high. So clearly watching friends, Nifty's resistance level is 15,150 or 15,100 is the most dangerous area. Dangerous is it's a perfect resistance area. So Nifty also will give the support. Market make new high. Otherwise, it's not make new high. So 13 minutes chart. Yes, you will see clearly forming before days the double bottom. Can you see here? It's like double bottom. One double bottom. Double bottom, I will already many times tell you friends. Double bottom is a reversal pattern. It's forming one place. It's market giving the big move other side. So another side double top also. This also giving the perfect move. It's a maybe 80 to 90 percentage give the accuracy for this trade. But I am not an expert. You also read your chart. What do you think about this chart? Like this, your chart, and you have to take your own risk entry. Here they perfectly formed this triangle pattern. When this triangle pattern broke, we have to go to other side. Otherwise, it's like another pattern. Can you see anyone here? It's like the it's not perfectly forming. It's like double top. When this trend line was, see this line was broken, this line is broke, we will confirm it's double top, and it's like mostly it's like double top. So what is technical analysis? I i made technical analysis in one way, you made in another way. Anything sometimes I can't see anything, I missing in my chart. you will find out that. So anyone, so every people technical analysis different friends. So my everyone mostly watch each and every information. So it's important from technical analysis. Technical analysis most important for everything. Here the double top market give big fall. Big fall means mostly how many percent to give? 7.7 percentage give downside move, and here how many percent? 13%. 332 points. It's giving big move. These option traders are entry here. So options traders only need volatility. So they only enter the volatility market. So they can only make there, because options buyers only need volatility. So options buyers only enter here. This type of patterns forming time here, perfectly market forming the channel trend line. Perfectly respect every trend line. So then we will go to Reliance industry. I will see. Then we will go to Infosys. What happening in Infosys in last past weeks? So this is I will go to one day chart first. Market perfectly forming, perfectly traded on uptrend. So market now the perfectly came to trend line. So then what happening? Forward switch on forward chart. This trend line is clearly forming, friends. When this trend line go, we have to take the another next trade. Otherwise, don't take entry. Visa best company fundamentally and strong company. We will go to intra heading short. Here, perfectly forming the channel but downside trend channel pattern. It's not a major trend, friends. It's one of the normal correction. Correction means uptrend. So market move like this. Sorry, market move not like this, like this. Move up, then little bit correction, then move up, then little bit correction, then move up, then little bit corrections. So like this only market move. So this is not a downtrend, but it's a downtrend channel, but because so when you take entries here, market gives the perfect entries, friends. So patience is the most important, because if you're not able to patient, sit your in front of your monitor, you can't be able to sustain the market. You have to be able to, if you able to sustain the market, patience is most important, and psychologically, because when you have the right place, there only you have to take trade. Another way you don't never take trades, because that's a going to failure ratio is very high. So perfect entry only we have to take entry. Then we will do this Infosys analysis. So anyone see the double bottom here? I will see here. Here the double bottom. So double bottom is the most important, friends. Here also forming double bottom. It's most commonly forming market. Many places is mostly commonly double top and double bottom is mostly forming, because market is considered is like this. Market may be going to the people mentality only. If you think double top, You also think market going to down, and institution also think it's going to down. So market was going to down. So people what they do there, they do only sell here, double top. Otherwise, double bottom farming time, they what do? They only buy because also institutional traders also buy. So it's important, friends. So then we will go to 15 minutes chart. So you have to analyze only multi time frame. So multi time frame only tell you many things about that company. So here one of the trend line, breakout market little bit fall. If you see another pattern here, I will see, friends, I will tell you. This is a head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. So maybe market is going to retest here. Then it's going to fall. Maybe it's happen because head and shoulder also reversal pattern. Head and shoulder also reversal pattern. I will tell you already, but it's not. It's like this. Mainly downtrend timing. It's forming like this. Other than uptrend timing, it's forming. Why? Reason, market going to reverse. It's not, it's 15 minutes chart. So it's forming perfectly head and shoulder pattern. So what we go to next? So this place is the important place. This place is important place. Market may be here retest and retest that neckline and then reverse here. Otherwise, market this trend line also here forming, trend line also forming. Then you have to consider everything. So market is a market is not move proper, not move proper. You think market is move not properly, guys? Market move only properly. You have to think only proper, and otherwise you cannot able to sustain here. This is the channel pattern. We will tell you, friends. Once our channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I will reveal most successful strategies. This is the child's thing. Certain this moving average class out. It's a book. That's not the strategies, guys. I will tell you. I will reveal most successful strategies, how to use CPR, where you have to entry, and how to use moving averages, how to use price action, how to read candlestick, then option, how to buy, when you have to buy option trading. So I will teaching everything. Once we will go to 1,000 subscriber, we will totally explore our total strategies. Thank you, friends, and keep like and subscribe my channel.